Now let's go over how to clean your espresso machine. Remove the portafilter from the machine. Gently tap it to knock out the used coffee grounds. Separate the filter basket from the portafilter. Rinse both parts with water and use a brush to clean away any leftover grounds. Next, press the double cup button to flush the group head. Remove any leftover coffee residue from the group head and the surrounding area. Turn the dial to the hot water function. Hot water will start to flow from the steam wand. Let it run for about 3 to 5 seconds. Then turn the dial back to the off position to stop the water. Finally, turn off the machine. Remove the steam wand cover. Wipe off any milk residue on the wand with a damp cloth. Rinse the cover thoroughly, then place it back onto the wand. Now take out the drip tray. Pour out the dirty water and rinse the tray clean. Dry it off and slide it back into place. Wipe off any remaining water from the surface of the machine with a towel. Your espresso machine is now clean and ready to brew again.